Walking into a supplement shop feels like stepping into a minefield of broken promises and high-pressure sales pitches. We have all seen those bottles with neon labels claiming you can melt fat while you sleep. Most of those products are just loaded with enough caffeine to power a small city. You end up feeling shaky, anxious, and ultimately disappointed when the scale does not move. Lean Peak tries to break that cycle by stepping away from the hype. It is framed as a modern support system for people who are actually putting in the effort. It is not about taking a shortcut. It is about making the road a little less bumpy. The focus stays on metabolic health and sustainable energy. This is a big deal because most weight management journeys fail due to exhaustion. You run out of steam, your cravings take over, and you quit. This supplement targets that specific failure point. It wants to help you maintain a steady rhythm throughout the day. By supporting calorie utilization, it tries to help your body use fuel more efficiently. No one wants to feel like they are fighting their own biology. The brand pushes the idea of working in harmony with your systems. They emphasize a blend of ingredients that avoid those harsh, jittery side effects. This approach is much more realistic for a busy adult. You can go to work and function without feeling like your heart is drumming against your ribs. Safety is another major pillar they lean on. They manufacture in facilities that stick to very strict quality control. That gives a level of reassurance that is often missing in this industry. You want purity. You want consistency. Every bottle should deliver exactly what it promises. The user feedback reflects this more grounded approach. People talk about feeling more in control of their eating habits. They mention having the stamina to get through a workout without hitting a wall afterward. It is a mindset shift. You are not just buying a pill. You are investing in a broader wellness strategy. The website guides you through this logic. It starts with the common problems of stubborn weight and low energy. Then it introduces the formula as a science-inspired tool. They use clear language to explain how it works. There are no confusing codes or cryptic terms to decipher. It is just straightforward talk about wellness. They offer discounts and bundles to get people started. The satisfaction guarantee is there to take the sting out of the initial purchase. But the core message never wavers. This is about responsibility. It is about pairing the supplement with good food and regular movement. They are very clear that this is not a miracle cure. That kind of honesty builds a lot of credibility. It turns a simple product into a part of a long-term commitment. You are taking charge of your health in a way that feels manageable. It is about finding a pace you can actually maintain. This is not a sprint. It is a marathon. Having a little extra support for your metabolism might just be the thing that keeps you on the track for good. Real change happens when you align your habits with the right tools. It is about empowering yourself to stay consistent. Every small win adds up over time. This supplement aims to be the wind at your back while you do the heavy lifting. It focuses on the long game of health rather than a quick fix that fades. That is the kind of balance that actually lasts.